What you see now is our IT8511AG Plus electronic load for fast charging. The bottom right corner of this device is a special test card for fast charging IT164. This fast charging test card has micro USB and USB Type-C 2 interfaces. In the testing process, we only need to plug the charging cable of the fast charging adapter directly into the fast charging board above. You can complete the wiring. The whole wiring process is very simple and fast. IT8511AG plus this fast charging electronic load, we can go to achieve the fast charging adapter fast charging protocol compatibility test, and the charger electrical performance test. And our device is a standard 1/2 19-inch size, so it can be easily integrated into a standard cabinet. Today I'm going to demonstrate this feature of the IT8511AG Plus in the fast charging adapter section. First of all, in the main menu of our machine, there is a special sub-menu for this QC. Under the QC menu, the device offers 3 options: detect, test, and information. Now the flashing one is detect, which will automatically scan the protocol compatibility of the fast charging adapter. Because sometimes we do know which protocols are supported by the fast charging adapter, we can use the detect function to perform an automatic detection. And this automatic detection process is actually scanning several fast charging protocols supported by the IT8511AG Plus one by one. Eventually, the IT8511AG Plus will show the results of the specific protocols supported by this fast charging adapter. Now the result of the automatic scan is out. We can check. It supports QC 2.0, QC 3.0, but does not support PE+. The display shows no support. Then we can use this left and right button to check if these fast charging protocols are supported. The test option, compared to detect, is actual Y equivalent to a manual testing process. In other words, detect scans the protocols one by one and comes up with the results of support and no support, with no intervention in the middle of the process. The test option allows the user to directly select a protocol and perform a manual LRV test and switch between gears and voltages. Let's see if it supports a 9V slot, for example, and then see if it supports a 1V output slot. We can also test the adapter with a load, for example, with a load of 1A. The load will sync current or voltage from the adapter under CC or CV mode. Some more functions are integrated into this load. Besides protocol testing, it also supports the voltage current ripple testing of the adapters. We can quickly retrieve the test results of the ripple of the fast charger adapter through the upper and lower buttons of the panel. What you have seen here is the voltage ripple. Now it shows the current ripple. It is around 10 mA. The integrated ripple testing function is good for automatic system integration. No need to add oscilloscope, saving cabinet space. In addition, the QC protocol for fast chargers usually induces different charging voltage output through the voltage of the pins. So the test usually needs to test the D+ and D voltages as well. Then we can go to the QC sub-menu and select the information option to see the D+ and D measurement results. For quick chargers, besides fast charging protocol compatibility testing, it also needs electrical performance testing. So usually tester needs to carry out load testing. For example, first test the no-load voltage, and then verify the voltage and current indicators of TEQC 1V output, and with a load of 2A. You can go through the program menu of our panel Program menu interface, the tester can edit multiple work steps. Under each test work step, the user can choose a different fast charging protocol. We can choose QC or FCP or PD protocol as long as the fast charging protocol supported by the DUT. And under each work step, in addition to configuring the fast charger protocol, you can also choose the load carrying test mode. You can choose to turn on the short function and test the short circuit current of the DUT. You can also test the no-load voltage of the fast charger, and you can set the upper and lower limits of the designed indicators into the program. Then when the program runs, it will compare the test results with the preset upper and lower limits range. If it is within the design range of the product, it will show pass at the end of the run, and if it is out of range, the device will show fail. Now we take 3 steps as an example. The first step is to select QC to .0 protocol. Select the 5V output gear, set the loading current at 0.5A, and then the option of whether to short circuit AP pairs. If you want to test the short circuit current, you can choose to on. If you do not need to test the short circuit current, then you need to configure to off. Then configure the readback parameters. For example, you want to verify that the voltage of the DUT is within the design index, then you need to select the readback parameter type for voltage. Then set the upper limit, lower limit, and delay time, because we now in order to let you see the effect clearly, so we set the time as the second level. In your actual application you can set millisecond, ms. Then the second step is to test with QC 3.0, because QC 3.0 output voltage is adjustable, we set to 98V, with load 1A. Then the third step we still choose QC 3.0, we editor voltage, with the load current set to 2A. The upper and lower limits are set, and after setting save the program procedure. IT8511AG is in the quick charging test mode interface by default in order to facilitate the testers to turn off, and then turn on and reboot each time. Then it can be set by run mode selection. We now default to this program auto test mode. Next, provide a trigger signal that will trigger the program to run. That program is now up and running. Step 2 is up, and now it's running to step 3. Okay, well, we now see that the total result of the whole run is pass. Then of course we can also check the exact results of each step. In the first step, the readback voltage of 487V. The second step is 953V, and the third step is 114V, which is checked by the up and down buttons. So when the total result is fail, in fact, do not worry, we can go back to check the test situation of each step. For example, we edited a total of 5 steps, in which step there is a failure, including the specific parameters of the failure, can be viewed in detail. So through program function we can complete an automatic test. It can do the mixed protocol compatibility test, including the load performance verification, no load voltage, short circuit performance test. Okay, the above is the demonstration of our IT8511AG+ in the application of fast charging test function.
iTech, your power testing solution.